Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I'll be teaching you for UKG and my today's topic is safety rules. Children, do you know what the safety rule means? Yes, safety rule means staying away from danger, being very careful. So today I'll be teaching you few safety rules. Children, here I have few pictures for you on safety rule. Let's see them. First, playing with fire is hazardous. Children, playing with fire is very dangerous. So you should not play with fire. You should not take matchbox or burning candles in your hand. You might burn your hand. Let's see the second one. Keep away from loose electrical connections, hot irons, moving fans, etc. Children, you should not put your finger in the fan or you should not touch electrical wires or hot irons or any appliances because it might hurt you. Your finger might get burnt or you might get a shock. So you should not go to the dangerous things. Let's see the third one. Putting object into ears or nose may lead to injuries. Children, you should not take any objects like pencils, cotton buds or any sharp objects. You should not put in your ears, eyes, nose or mouth because it might harm you. It might put you into danger. You might get hurt. So it is very dangerous. You should not touch anything and put it in your ears. Let's see the fourth one. Handle knife and scissors with care. Children, if you are doing any work with scissor, see that your parents are with you. You should not touch any sharp objects like blade, scissors or knife. It is very dangerous. You might cut your hand and you might get blood from that. Let's see the fifth one. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Children, whenever you go outside, see that you cross the road at zebra crossing or you walk on the footpath and you have to follow the traffic signal. Never ever play on the road. Children, you should not play on the road. You should always play on the playground. Watch TV from a distance. Children, whenever you sit to watch TV, see that you are sitting little far away because sitting closer by may spoil your eyes. So you have to sit at the distance to watch TV. Let's see the last one. Always say no to gifts or sweets from strangers. Children, you should not talk to any strangers because if you don't know them, they will take you, they might rob you, they might kidnap you. So, you should not talk to any strangers or take any gifts, sweets from them. It is very dangerous. So, children, now that you have followed the safety rules, let's revise one more time. Playing with fire is hazardous. Keep away from loose electrical connections, hot iron, moving fans, and etc. Putting objects into ears or nose may lead to injuries. Handle knives and scissors with care. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Never ever play on the road. Watch TV from a distance. Always say no to gifts or sweets from strangers. So children, now I hope you will follow them. I will give you one activity and you have to follow that. Children, here you have to take one paper, A4 size paper, and you have to write a slogan on safety slogan, where you will do anything, draw a color or write anything, whatever you like, and you have to write one slogan. Okay children, this is your homework and you will take help of your mummy or daddy. See you. Thank you.